In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your TurboTax tax return using the Print Center. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your return as a PDF in TurboTax's Print Center and send it to your printer, quickly and confidently. First, a quick overview. TurboTax lets you print your tax return by generating a PDF through its Print Center. Once the PDF opens, you can print it using your normal printer settings, or save a copy for your records. This is a great way to keep a secure backup and have a paper copy handy when you need one. Let's walk through the steps inside TurboTax. On the left side menu, click Tax Tools. If your menu looks minimized, expand it so you can see the options clearly. Next, click Tools. This brings up a set of helpful features that include exactly what we need. From there, select Print Center. This is the hub where you can open, preview, save, and print your return. Now click Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. TurboTax will gather your forms and prepare the PDF. Depending on your return size, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to load. At this point, TurboTax will ask you to choose how you want to handle payment. You'll see two options. Pay now lets you pay the TurboTax fee with a card. Pay Later allows the fee to be taken from your refund. For certain versions, like Deluxe, you must choose one of these to continue, so don't skip this step. If you select Pay Now, have your card details ready and confirm your billing information. If you choose Pay Later, make sure you expect a refund that can cover the fee. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the payment step to proceed. Once your payment step is finished, your return opens as a PDF in the Print Center. From here, you can preview the pages and confirm everything looks right. When you're ready, send it to your printer using your usual print dialog. Check your printer is connected, pick the correct printer, and choose your preferred settings like color or grayscale. It's also a smart idea to save a copy of the PDF to a secure folder for your records. That's all there is to it. Click Tax Tools, click Tools, select Print Center, choose Print, save, or preview this year's return. Complete the required payment step and then print from the PDF. Thanks for watching and happy filing.